Hi and good morning, brethren. I'm Brother Gino de la Cruz, also known as your Ginoong Balibon, an organic member of San Leonardo Masonic Lodge number 386 from Masonic District R3, Nueva Ecija South, under the jurisdiction of the Most Worshipful Grand Lodge of the Philippines, congratulating the Toronto-based but worldwide connected from west to east and from north to south side of the world, the One Mason Forum, wherein has only one solid aim, and that is to meet, act, and part a one brother Master Mason to another brother Master Mason, in order to spread those truly Masonic ornaments, brotherly love, relief, and truth. Once again, my brethren, my congratulations and my fraternal greetings to brethren of One Mason.